It's a matter of great pride that we are presenting Mera Desh Pehle today in Bhagyanagar, a land which is known for its nationalistic approach, love for the soil, and a land which has got great heroes like Alluri Sitaramanji, like Kokaram Bhim, that kind of great personalities where they have acted and they have lived their life. I'm very happy to perform Mera Desh Pehle over here. And the life and journey of our Honorable Prime Minister has been tremendous. We all know that this is journey of an ordinary man, but an extraordinary journey. I hope that Bhagyanagar, the great people of Bhagyanagar, enjoy the show tonight and they learn something from this journey, from this story. Looking forward.
They'll be asking questions.
So
Yeah.
one message for youth of Telangana.
The youth of Telangana, only one message. Desham Mandu, nation first. तेलंगाना से मैं राष्ट्रीय एकता का संदेश देना चाहता हूं। भारत तब बड़ा होगा, भारत तब विशाल और महान और विराट होगा जब हम सब एक होंगे। जितनी तरह के बंटवारे हमारे सामने हैं, जितनी तरह के लोग राजनीति के नाम पे हमें तोड़ते हैं, हमें अलग करते हैं, हमें बांटते हैं, हमें उन सबको बताना है दैट वी स्टैंड यूनाइटेड। इंडिया इज वन, फ्रॉम भदोही टू भाग्यनगर, फ्रॉम कश्मीर टू कन्याकुमारी, from Goa to Guwahati, ek desh, ek mati, one nation, one soil.
Sir, one last question. So how's the youth of India is looking as you as a voice of nation?
I'm glad. I'm glad that people consider me the voice of this great nation, and this great nation has got 140 crore voices. I'm not just the only one, but I try to be the voice of reason, to be the voice of nationality, to be the voice of Sanatan, and be the voice of soldiers. And if that is accepted, I'm very happy. हमें भाग्यनगर हैदराबाद चूज करना ही था। मैंने आपसे बताया जिस जगह का इतिहास इतना बड़ा हो, जहां इतने बड़े बड़े नेशनलिस्टिक हीरोज रहे हो, वहां अगर हम प्रधानमंत्री जी की कहानी ना सुनाएं तो हमारी यात्रा में कुछ कमी रह जाएगी। About 2 hours, sir. 2 hours. Language is primarily Hindi with little bit of English mixed, and to the surprise, because we love Telugu as a language, lot of respect and honor for the language. So you will find just bits and pieces of Telugu. I am not well versed with the language, but since I love it, so I will try and speak little bit. So there is no such role as such. So it's a narration-based drama. So nobody is playing Modi ji, and nobody can play Modi ji. Modi is greatest. Next we will be in Varanasi very soon. On 7th we will be in Varanasi. Then we will be in a gift city close to Ahmedabad. From there, Kolkata. So the India tour is on.